Mechanic in a Bottle 2-in-1 gasoline quality test will check the fuel quality of standard gasoline and two-cycle mixed gas. It will also test for water in the fuel. This is a great test for seasonal equipment that isn't starting or running well. If your fuel is bad, you can resolve the problem with fresh fuel or an additive. Insert the swab into the fuel tank and brush it against the bottom of the tank. Tape the swab to a dowel or a paint stir stick if needed to reach the bottom of the tank. The tip of the swab tests for water. Pull it out and shake off excess fuel. Let it dry for 2 minutes, then check the swab against the test chart. The main part of the swab tests for fuel quality. This fuel is good. The tip of the swab tests for water in the fuel.